Welcome to the next chapter in our triggers and conditions breakdown course for any pop-up, automatic pop-up that you make within Brizy Cloud or Brizy WordPress. Up to now, I've just been using a single page, but I looked at some of the triggers coming and the conditions, and I think it's important that I switch over to a multi-page. So behind the scenes, I went and I installed this tavern layout that comes with Brizy Pro, and that allows you to bring in this great pre-designed template, nice colors to give you that warm feeling of a restaurant and the ambiance. And then you have everything that you need there. I think this is a great landing page, just looking at it. And I'm overselling this one at the moment, no idea why. Great template, so definitely have a look for this one under business and entertainment tavern. Really like this one. So this is currently, let's just go to the front end and load it, and I'll close that one and we'll be working with this one. Because I loaded this template, it cleared out my pop-up, but I made a new pop-up, exactly the same one that we've been using thus far. So from here on, we'll be just working with the multi-page. Let's take a break from triggers at this moment. And the reason why, let's go to our conditions and triggers, display conditions, is that for the triggers that we've handled up to this point, 99% of people and developers and agencies will use only the 6 or 7 at the very beginning. There are many still here at the bottom, and we're going to quickly look at them at the very end after we have touched on the conditions. Many of them are really specialized, they are very specific, and only a few, especially if you're working with funnels and a lot of social media, then maybe you will be interested in this for that kind of tracking and redirecting different customers to different places. Remember when we talked about trigger is when should it appear? This is an active part of the automatic pop-ups. The one next to it, and that's what we looked at the very beginning conditions, is a passive part. What we mean by passive is that this does not depend on anything the user does. Triggers rely solely on actions from the user. Did they click or did they do nothing? Do they want to leave? Did they come from a specific place? Conditions, no user involvement required. And conditions is where this pop-up should be displayed.